Shoot another picture. Another one. Ask you to shoot another video. They have a video yet.
What's your little brother's name?
Reuben.
Reuben? What's his name? What do we call him for a nickname?
Cal.
Is he making funny faces, buddy?
Cal. I'll get it.
Don't jump. Just walk.
I think he needs mommy milk.
You think?
Well, I think he wants mom. I think he wants to go on a swing.
That's probably true.
Yeah.
I think he wants to sit next to his brother.
Yeah. I think
Look, he's
he
looking
wants
at you,
to
buddy.
lay down.
He's looking at you. He likes his brother.
Let's shoot another video, okay?